As a jazz saxophone virtuoso, Willie L. Jr. has shared the stage with legendary musicians like Dizzy Gillespie and Sammy Davis Jr. While his musical skills are known to audiences across the globe, it's his time off the stage that remains impactful to generations of students. In addition to serving as a renowned educator for Denver Public Schools and later at CU Boulder College of Music, Hill has devoted an exceptional amount of time and energy to serving as an advocate for access to music and the arts. Most recently, Hill retired from his position as director of the Fine Arts Center at the University of Massachusetts in 2019. In his role, he made a profound impact on communities by developing outreach initiatives to provide children with access and also supported participation in music, dance, theater, and the arts. Through his engaging personality, drive, energy, and optimism, Hill has made a significant impact in building community and breaking down cultural and societal barriers to promote arts and culture. For his incredible contributions to society and CU Boulder, the university is proud to present Willie with the George Norlin Award.